I'm Stacy Smiley. I just wanted to say hi and introduce myself. And in this video today, I'm gonna go ahead and show you my new purchase from Love Posh. It's my first order. I'm really excited to see what kind of stickers I got. It's only the new fall release. I only bought one just to test it out to see. I like to get an idea of what I'm getting into before I buy hundreds of dollars worth of stuff. Yes, because I am that person. All right, well, let's get started. All right, so here's the package it came in. I just ordered the one sticker book just to see what I think of it, how I like it. I tend not to order too much of one thing until I know what it's like and how it works and incorporates on my pages anyways. So this one happens to be, it's a cute little note. I believe this is one of the new ones for October, so I could use it in my spread this week, or I should say for next week's. This week's video, next week's layout spread. So we've got Posh Fall. Ooh, 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 I like the colors already. And then of course it came with a cute little thank you note and a little Love Posh card or sticker, I'm not sure. It says, thank you so much for shopping with me. I am truly grateful for all of your support. I hope you love your purchase and enjoy using everything. Love, Jessica. Aw, so sweet. I like that. Ooh, this actually feels like a sticker. Ooh, cool. I know what I'll be doing with that. All right, how about a quick flip through? Ooh, look at these colors. Here, maybe I need to flip my light down so we can see. Ah, hey, much better. Pretty peaches and pinks. Very pretty. And then I know there's 2 pages of each. Love the blues. And the purple looks, these are actually an interesting combo. They're really pretty though. Ooh, fall colors, darker. Whoa, look at the fall leaves, and they're colorful. This is perfect for this week, especially. And then we got the pink and burgundy pumpkins and leaves and flowers. Different combo. And this almost looks like a spooky theme. The drippies, it looks like, ooh. Actually, it looks like, almost like a dress. I think it is, and it's got a crown. Oh. And the vines. Yes, definitely has a creep factor to it. Pretty cool. Ooh, and the skulls and the spiders. The black and green theme. Oh man, I'm gonna have a hard time deciding what stickers I want to use for these. Ooh, this looks more like a Christmassy kind of colors. The oranges and the pinks, more like a fuchsia. Blues, I love the blues. Blues and oranges. Purples and orange. Ooh, I really like these. Okay, I have a thing for pink, I think. Pink and purple, like really pale. I like the pastels. There we go. That's what I'm trying to say. We've got, this is more red and pink. This almost reminds me of Valentine-ish. Valentine's. Almost like a burgundy and the pinks, and more like a fuchsia here. Oh, and some really bright, almost spring-like flowers. Oranges, pinks, yellows. More of a darker golden yellow. Then we got peaches and pink again, and some burgundy, a little bit of burgundy. And that looks like that's it. Ooh, this will be fun. My biggest challenge is going to be finding boxes that match. I may be having to print them out on my own printer, and you go from there. Match up the colors from this. Anyways, this is fall Posh Fall from Love Posh. And this is Stacy Smiley from Smiles with Plans. As always, keep on smiling.